Here is the new Leetcode problem, which name is a sort array by Parity. Leetcode 905 problem. In this problem, what we have given is we have given a nums array, and we have to do one thing: move all the even integers to the beginning of array, and or integers at the end of the array. So it's a basically quite bit simple problem, because we have given a nums array, and we have to, if the number is in even number, then we have to shift this that number in left part, and if that number is odd, that we have to shift that part and that number in right part. So it's a little bit quite bit simple problem. So firstly, thanks for the completing the 100 subscribers. Thank you so much. एंड आपका साथ रहा हो तो ऐसे ही 500 भी पहुंच ही जाएंगे. जल्दी से जल्दी पहुंचा दीजिए. So let's do this problem. So first approach that comes in our mind is we will take two pointers left and right, and we will take a vector, and if that number is even, then we will shift that number in left part, and we will increase that pointer in the left part, and same with the right part also. So let's do that. We'll take two pointers, int left equals to 0, and int right equals to nums dot size -1, and we'll create a vector int answer of size nums dot size, and we will apply a loop now for int I equals to 0 to I less than nums dot size, then I plus plus. If that number is even, means if nums of I modulo 2 equals to 0, if that number is even, then we will do one thing. We will store that number in left part of the array answer array. So answer of left equals to nums of I, and we will increase that pointer left plus plus, and same with the right pointer. So else the number is odd, then answer of right equals to nums of I, and we will decrease the right pointer, because right even the point index of n, that's why we will decrease, and finally we will return answer. Let's see. Yeah, it is accepted. Let's submit this. (96.18% of users beats 96, means बहुत सही solution है, बहुत सही. So now I want to do this problem without taking any space, because here the space complexity will be big of n, and time complexity is also big of n, but I want to do this problem without using any space, so we can reduce the space also. So how we will solve this problem? So let's look for this. We'll take two pointers, int I equals to 0 and int j equals to nums dot size -1, and we will apply a while loop I less than j. जब तक I less than j है तब तक ये लूप वर्क करेगा. we will apply if while I less than j and nums of I modulo 2 equals to 0. It means that is even number, so we will increase that I, and the same for j also. ब्रैकेट की वैसे ज़रूरत है नहीं, बेकार लगता है. j माइनस माइनस, equals to 1. This is complete. Then what will I do is we'll swap of nums I comma nums j, and finally we will return our answer. Return nums. This is done. This is while I plus plus j minus 1 destroy j. See. Let's run this problem. Return nums. Oh, now this is correct. Let's run this again. Here is a semicolon. Yeah, that is working perfect. Let's submit this again. Yeah, better than the 96.18% of C++ user, means very better solution. So here that is time complexity will be big of n, but space complexity is now big of 1. That is the optimal, very optimal solution. वेरी ऑप्टिमल. बहुत कम मिलेगा ये सॉल्यूशन आपको देखते हुए सॉल्यूशन. That is good. If you know another approach, then you can comment that approach. I will appreciate that approach also. So finally, thanks for the 100 subscribers also. Let's make it 500. Okay. सो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट कर दीजिए यार, कुछ नहीं जाता. लाइक शेयर कमेंट कर.